Welcome to everyone in this new video. In this video, I would like to show you how to apply color on this miniature Durga idol. Before starting, I would like to say that whoever new in this channel, please do like, subscribe and share this video and drop your valuable comments on this video. Now we can start. So first, in this miniature Durga idol making process, you have to first apply a color on the background. So here I have used a blue color. You can use navy blue color or deep blue color or sky blue color to color the background of this Durga idol, and you have to apply this color in this way as per the video. Okay, after coloring the base of this Durga idol, now you have to apply color on the eyes and on the clothes wherever white color is required. You can see I have used a white color palette to color all those parts of the sculpture, and you have to properly apply those color and many other detailing you can do at the later part of this at the later part, not now. So after the application of the white color, you can apply the yellow color of the skin of Durga idol, that is in the face, in the hands or the other region of body where you can see the visible skin. In this way you have to apply this color, and for the Mahishasur you can apply the brown color. So I have used the brown color palette. Then many other detailing you can do, that is the dress of Durga idol, you can use the green color or yellow color. Then this is the process where you have to draw the eyes of Durga, which is the most difficult part of for this small Durga idol. Here you have to be very careful to draw the eyes, and this way you can use the black color palette to draw the eyes. So I am making the 3 nyan of this Durga idol using the black color palette. I have used acrylic color for coloring this Durga idol. In this way you have to apply the black color on the eyes, and also you can draw the hair, the front hair part of the Durga idol in this way. And many other detailing you can do using this black color. Now you can see how beautifully it is looking like, and the other detailing like the cloth, and you can use the red color at the cloth. Also the ornaments, you can use the golden color. I have used the yellow color and golden color combination, and for shading I have used the red color and the black color and brown color for the ornaments. For the Trishul, I have used the yellow color as well as I have used the golden color. You can use the other color as well as per your choice. Now for more detailing you can do using very small brushes. You can use the black color or yellow color. For Mahishasur, I have used the yellow color palette as well as the brown color and black color for more detailing. In this way you have to color this Durga idol, and you have to be very careful to color because this is very small. So if you should not be very fast, you should slowly do this coloring process, and slowly fill the all parts of Durga idol uh, to provide more detailing in this Durga idol. In this way you have to do this coloring, and more detailing you can do. As I said, the ornaments I have applied the brown color, red color, as well as the golden color, or and the yellow color. So that color I have used for all this detailing. Now you can see we came in the final stage of this process, where you can see the looks are very good, and you can see it is looking nice, the miniature Durga. And how much small the Durga idol is, it is very difficult to make, but after making you can get a mental satisfaction. This is the final look of Durga idol. Thank you very much for watching this video.